Welcome to another AI deep dive. It seems like everyone's been keeping up with the latest in artificial intelligence, and we're here to help you sift through it all. We've got some fascinating reports this time, covering everything from a new model release from Anthropic to the incredible world of video AI. Plus, we'll take a glimpse at the bigger trends that are shaping the AI landscape. Are you ready to discover what's really worth paying attention to?
It's a truly fascinating time to be following this field. We're seeing advancements that were purely science fiction just a few years ago.
Let's jump right in with Anthropic's Claude 3.7 Sonnet. This release is making waves with its performance in coding, reasoning, and even agentic tasks.
Yeah, it's really impressive.
Imagine an AI that can design complex systems or simulate human-like attention.
It's pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. What's particularly impressive is how accessible Anthropic is making this powerful AI. I mean, we're seeing it being integrated into various platforms like Amazon Bedrock and Google Cloud. So it's becoming a versatile tool for a wide range of users.
And get this, Claude 3.7 has a thinking mode with up to 64,000 tokens. That means you could feed it an entire research paper and have it analyze the key arguments. That's the kind of power we're talking about.
This level of processing power really opens up so many possibilities. It allows Claude 3.7 to understand and maintain context in a way that previous models couldn't even approach.
Now, for all the coders out there, Anthropic has also released Claude Code, a command-line coding assistant that acts like a tireless coding partner.
Oh yeah, I've heard about this.
You can read, modify, run, and even test your code autonomously. Talk about a productivity boost.
It really does change the game for developers. Imagine having an AI that can not only help you write code, but also understand the logic and intent behind it.
Now, I know some of you might be thinking, all this sounds great, but what about the cost? And it's true that Claude 3.7 might be a bit pricier than some of its competitors. However, many users argue that the robust performance and expanded context window make it a worthwhile investment for serious AI applications. It seems you really do get what you pay for in this case.
Absolutely. When you're dealing with complex tasks that require a high level of accuracy and nuanced understanding, investing in a top-tier model like Claude 3.7 can actually save you time and resources in the long run.
Okay, let's shift gears and talk about the updates to the Qwen model. The Qwen family is expanding, and they're bringing some exciting new features to the table. We've got Qwen 2.5 Max with its new Thinking QWQ mode, showcasing impressive abilities in math coding and even acting as an agent.
It's almost like these AI models are evolving right before our eyes.
The introduction of the thinking mode is a really fascinating step towards creating AI that can reason and strategize, moving beyond simple task completion.
Right, and this has the potential to revolutionize areas like decision-making, problem-solving, and even creative brainstorming.
And hold on to your hats, because there's an anticipated open-weight release of QWQ Max and Qwen 2.5 Max under the Apache 2.0 license. This move towards open source AI is gaining momentum, and it could truly democratize access to these powerful tools, leading to a wave of innovation.
I think this is a crucial development. Open sourcing these models allows for greater transparency, collaboration, and community-driven development. It's a refreshing counterpoint to the trend of AI being controlled by a select few.
I think. Let's dive into the visually stunning world of video AI.
Hmm.
Google has unveiled Veo 2, a video model, pushing the boundaries of video generation. We're talking about creating extended high-quality content, potentially minutes of 4K resolution. Imagine the impact this could have on filmmaking, animation, and even virtual reality experiences.
The level of realism and detail that Veo 2 can achieve is remarkable. It's not just about the resolution, it's about the coherence and believability of the generated video. This could change the way we create and consume video content entirely.
But the excitement doesn't stop there. Alibaba has released Wan 2.1, an open-source video generation model that's already topping leaderboards, and is freely available for anyone to experiment with. This is a game changer for independent creators and researchers who might not have had access to this level of technology before.
It's another testament to the power of the open source movement. By making these models accessible, Alibaba is empowering a whole new generation of creators and innovators to explore the possibilities of video AI.
And speaking of empowerment, Runway ML has launched its Creative Partners program, giving artists free access to their advanced generative tools. It's fantastic to see this kind of collaborative spirit in the AI community.
It really highlights how AI is becoming a powerful tool for artistic expression. We're moving beyond the debate of whether AI can be creative and into a realm where AI is a partner in the creative process. It's exciting to see what artists will do with these new tools at their disposal.
Let's take a quick look at some of the tools, libraries, and datasets fueling AI innovation. We've got Replit Agent v2 with its real-time app design preview, LangChain.js with support for Claude 3.7, and the Supervisor library for multi-agent systems. It's clear that the tools for building with AI are evolving just as quickly as the AI models themselves.
It's becoming easier and more intuitive for developers to build and deploy AI applications. It's almost like we're witnessing the democratization of AI development right before our eyes.
And let's not forget about the incredible open source contributions. We've got OLMCR from Allen AI, an open source PDS parsing tool, and the Big Math dataset, a massive collection of math problems designed to help train AI models to solve mathematical challenges.
The availability of high-quality open-source datasets like Big Math is essential for advancing AI research and development. It allows researchers and developers to train and evaluate their models on a scale that was previously unimaginable.
Now let's shift our focus to research and analysis, where brilliant minds are pushing the boundaries of AI understanding. Perplexity. Deep Research is expanding its capabilities, offering paid users access to extended research tools, embedded images, and better file understanding.
This shows a clear demand for tools that go beyond simple question answering and allow users to delve deeper into complex research topics. This is where AI can truly shine as an augmentation to human intelligence.
And here's an intriguing development in the quest for making AI more accessible and efficient. The Minions cost reduction strategy.
Minions.
Yeah. This innovative approach pairs smaller local models with more powerful cloud models, potentially cutting costs by up to 80% with minimal performance loss.
That's pretty clever.
It's a really clever way to make advanced AI more affordable. By strategically leveraging the power of cloud computing, they're bringing these capabilities within reach for researchers, startups, and individual developers.
That's really cool.
Okay, get ready for this one. Researchers are exploring a concept called learning to reason from feedback at test time, where AI models adapt and improve during their operation.
So they're learning on the fly.
Exactly. It's a glimpse into the future of self-learning AI systems that can continuously refine their abilities.
Imagine an AI system that can not only learn from its initial training data, but also from its real-world experiences. That's a whole new level of adaptability and intelligence.
Now let's take a step back and look at the broader trends shaping the AI landscape. One of the hottest topics is AI agents and agency models that can operate autonomously and use tools to achieve goals. We're talking about AI that can interact with the world in a much more dynamic and purposeful way.
The development of AI agents raises some really interesting questions about the nature of intelligence and autonomy. As AI systems become more capable of independent action, it's crucial that we carefully consider the implications of this technology and ensure responsible development.
And the open source momentum we discussed earlier is definitely a force to be reckoned with. Companies like Alibaba are leading the charge by openly releasing their models, encouraging collaboration, and democratizing access to these powerful tools. It's exciting to see this shift towards a more open and collaborative approach to AI development.
This movement has the potential to truly accelerate the pace of innovation. By fostering a more open and inclusive research environment, we can unlock the collective intelligence of the global AI community.
We're also seeing exciting predictions about AI breakthroughs in specific fields. Experts believe we're on the verge of significant advancements in areas like bio and material science and a huge boost in developer productivity. It's incredible to think about the potential impact AI could have on solving complex problems and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge.
These predictions underscore the transformative power of AI across a wide range of industries. Imagine AI systems designing new materials with unprecedented properties, accelerating drug discovery, or helping us develop clean energy solutions.
Now, before we wrap up this part of our AI deep dive, let's inject a little humor into the conversation. The AI community is known for its playful side, and there are always some fun anecdotes making the rounds online.
It's a good reminder that even when we're dealing with such a complex and powerful technology, there's still room for laughter and a bit of lightheartedness.
We've got jokes circulating about startup pitches and Death Stars, poking fun at the grand ambitions of some AI startups.
Yeah.
I guess it's important to keep things in perspective, right?
Absolutely. It's a way to acknowledge the hype surrounding AI while maintaining a sense of humor about it all.
And then there's the running gag about Worker 17 toiling away under the rule of our future AI overlords. It's a funny thought, but it also subtly reflects some of the anxieties people have about AI's potential impact on the workforce.
Humor can be a powerful way to address complex issues and anxieties. It allows us to engage with these topics in a way that is both thoughtful and disarming.
And who can resist a chuckle when we see Anthropic's Claude attempting to play classic Pokemon games? It's a reminder that while powerful AI can also be used for entertainment and pure enjoyment.
I think it shows the incredible versatility of these AI systems. We're
Hmm.
moving beyond purely functional applications and into a realm where AI can be used for creativity, play, and even just plain fun.
So there you have it, part one of our AI deep dive. We covered a lot of ground, from groundbreaking model releases to the growing importance of open source initiatives. And of course, we had a little fun along the way.
We've witnessed incredible progress in AI development, showcasing the incredible potential of this technology to reshape industries, accelerate innovation, and even change the way we live and work.
We'll be back soon with more insights and analysis. But for now, take a moment to reflect on what we've discussed. What stood out to you as the most significant trend or development? And how do you see AI shaping your life and work in the coming years?
Take some time to ponder these questions, and we'll pick up the conversation in our next segment. It's remarkable how all these seemingly separate developments we discussed are starting to converge.
You're right. It's like we're seeing the pieces of a larger puzzle falling into place.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like, take, for example, the increasing emphasis on AI agents and their ability to use tools. This connects directly with the advancements we see in coding, especially with models like Claude 3.7. And let's not forget the development of libraries like Supervisor, which are specifically designed for multi-agent systems.
So we're not just talking about AI that solves problems in isolation. We're talking about AI that can understand and interact with the tools and systems that power our digital world.
Precisely. And when you add the growing open source movement to the mix, it paints a fascinating picture of a future where anyone with the right skills could potentially create and customize their own AI agents.
Wow, that's a powerful thought. Imagine a world where individuals and small teams could leverage AI agents to perform specialized tasks, automate complex processes, or even develop entirely new applications. It's both exciting and a little daunting.
It definitely raises some big questions. That's why the conversations around AI safety and responsible development become even more critical as these tools become more powerful and accessible. We need to be extremely thoughtful about the design, governance, and ethical implications of AI agents.
It's almost like we're entering this uncharted territory of human-AI collaboration, where the lines between creator and creation are becoming increasingly blurry.
Hmm.
This makes me think we need a new vocabulary to describe these relationships.
You've hit on a crucial point. We need to evolve our language and understanding to keep pace with these advancements. The old frameworks might not be sufficient to address the complexities of AI agency and human AI interaction.
So how do we navigate this rapidly evolving landscape? What steps can individuals and organizations take to stay ahead of the curve and harness the power of AI responsibly?
Well, the first step is to embrace a mindset of continuous learning. The field of AI is evolving at an incredible pace, so staying informed about new developments, trends, and ethical considerations is crucial.
That makes a lot of sense. It's like we need to become lifelong students of AI, always seeking new knowledge and expanding our understanding.
Absolutely. And beyond just staying informed, it's important to actively experiment with these new tools and technologies. The more we use them, the better we'll understand their capabilities, limitations, and potential impact. Think of it as learning by doing.
So don't just read about it.
Yeah.
Jump in and get hands-on experience. Try building something, explore different applications, and see how AI can enhance your own skills and creativity.
Exactly. And remember, the true power of AI is amplified when we collaborate and share our knowledge. Engaging with the AI community, attending conferences, participating in online forums, these are all fantastic ways to learn from others, contribute your insights, and help shape the future of this incredible technology. It's a collective effort.
You're reminding me that this isn't just about technical skills. It's about communication collaboration and building a shared understanding of AI's potential and challenges.
Precisely. And let's not forget the ethical dimension. As we become more reliant on AI systems, it's crucial to stay informed about the ongoing discussions around bias responsible development and the potential societal impacts of these technologies.
It sounds like you're saying we all have a responsibility to ensure that AI is used for good and benefits all of humanity, not just a select few.
Exactly. It's about using our collective wisdom and foresight to guide AI development in a direction that is both beneficial and sustainable for generations to come.
I appreciate how you're bringing the human element back into this conversation. It's easy to get caught up in the technical marvels of AI, but at the end of the day, these are tools created by humans to serve human needs. We have to stay grounded in that.
Well said. As with any powerful tool, the impact of AI ultimately depends on the intentions and actions of those who wield it. It's up to us to shape its trajectory.
So while we marvel at the incredible advancements in AI, let's also remember to nurture our own uniquely human qualities: creativity, empathy, critical thinking, and our capacity for connection and compassion.
Those qualities will be essential as we navigate this new era of human-AI collaboration. It's not about replacing human capabilities, but about finding ways for AI to augment and enhance them.
Let's take a look back at some of the key takeaways from our exploration of AI trends. We've seen the emergence of incredibly powerful new models like Claude 3.7 and VO2, which are capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be exclusive to humans.
Right. And we've also seen how the open source movement is gaining traction, making these powerful tools more accessible and fostering a spirit of collaboration and shared innovation within the AI community.
We've also talked about the critical importance of addressing the ethical implications of AI, ensuring that these systems are developed and used responsibly with a focus on safety, fairness, and alignment with human values.
Indeed. It's a conversation that requires ongoing attention and careful consideration as AI continues to evolve. We need to be proactive in shaping the ethical landscape of AI rather than simply reacting to its unintended consequences.
We've also explored the potential impact of AI on the future of work, emphasizing the need for individuals and organizations to adapt, learn new skills, and embrace the opportunities presented by this technological revolution.
Absolutely. The future of work will likely look very different in an AI-driven world. And while there may be challenges and disruptions along the way, there's also immense potential for new forms of work, creativity, and innovation to emerge.
And we shouldn't forget the fun side of AI either. From Claude trying its hand at Pokemon to the lighthearted jokes about startup pitches and Death Stars, the AI community reminds us to approach this complex and rapidly evolving field with a sense of humor and wonder.
Indeed. It's a reminder that even as we grapple with the profound implications of AI, there's still room for laughter, playfulness, and a sense of shared exploration and discovery.
We've covered a lot of ground in this segment. Now it's time for you to pause for a moment and reflect. What stands out to you as the most significant trend or development in the AI landscape right now? How do you envision AI shaping your life and work in the years to come?
Take some time to ponder those questions, and we'll be back with our final segment to explore some thought-provoking predictions and potential scenarios for the future of AI. It's a future we're all creating together.
Welcome back to our AI Deep Dive. I hope you had a few minutes to think about how AI might be shaping your world, because we're about to explore some pretty mind-bending predictions and scenarios for the future. And it's a future we're all creating together.
It is amazing to think how fast this field is moving.
Yeah.
I mean, what was once science fiction is rapidly becoming reality.
It's true, and some of these predictions are both exciting and a bit intimidating. Remember those humanoid robots we talked about earlier?
Yeah.
Some experts believe that they could eventually outnumber humans in service roles.
It's a thought-provoking prediction that raises questions about the future of work and the very fabric of our economy. Like, will we see a shift toward more creative and specialized roles for humans as AI takes on more routine tasks?
It's definitely something to consider. And it's not just about jobs, it's about how we interact with technology on a daily basis.
Right.
Like, imagine a world where AI-powered assistants are everywhere, helping us with everything from managing our schedules to making complex decisions.
It's like having a super intelligent sidekick by our side 24/7.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And as AI systems become even more sophisticated, we might even see the emergence of AI companions or even friends. This brings up some really interesting ethical and philosophical questions about the nature of consciousness and sentience. What does it mean to have a meaningful relationship with an AI?
Yeah, that's a big one.
It's a question we might need to grapple with sooner than we think.
We might.
These are deep waters we're wading into. It's crucial that we have these conversations now before these technologies advance beyond our ability to fully control or even understand them. We need to be proactive, not reactive.
I agree. We need to shape the future of AI, not simply react to it. So that means engaging in thoughtful discussions, establishing ethical guidelines, and ensuring that AI development aligns with human values and aspirations.
You've touched on something really important. It's easy to get caught up in all the hype and fear surrounding AI, but we need to remember that AI is a tool.
Right.
And like any tool, it can be used for good or bad.
Exactly. It's up to us to guide the development and application of AI in a way that benefits all of humanity. We have a responsibility to future generations to use this powerful technology wisely.
It's not all doom and gloom, though. There's incredible potential for AI to help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems.
For sure.
Like climate change, healthcare, poverty. AI could play a vital role in finding solutions.
Imagine AI systems designing sustainable energy solutions, developing personalized medical treatments, or even helping us understand and mitigate the effects of global warming. The possibilities are truly vast. But realizing this potential requires a collective effort and a commitment to responsible innovation.
It's like we're standing at the dawn of a new era,
It really does feel that way.
an era powered by AI and human ingenuity. But as with any great leap forward, there will be challenges and uncertainties.
Oh, definitely.
We need to be prepared to adapt and learn as we go.
The key is to approach these challenges with a sense of curiosity, collaboration, and a commitment to responsible development. If we can do that, I believe AI has the potential to unlock a future of unprecedented progress and well-being for everyone.
That's an inspiring vision. And it brings us to the end of our deep dive into the world of AI. We've covered a lot of ground, from groundbreaking models and open source initiatives to ethical considerations and thought-provoking predictions.
We've seen how AI is evolving at a rapid pace, and we've explored the incredible opportunities and challenges that lie ahead.
So as we conclude this episode, we want to leave you with one final thought-provoking question. What role do you envision AI playing in shaping the future? And what steps will you take to ensure its impact is positive and beneficial for all?
The future of AI isn't predetermined. It's a future we're actively creating with every decision we make, every line of code we write, and every conversation we have about its potential and its pitfalls. Let's choose wisely.
Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. We hope this deep dive has given you a new perspective on the world of AI and inspired you to think critically and creatively about its role in our lives. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep imagining the possibilities. The future is waiting to be shaped by us all.